The Replace Face feature allows you to replace a face or a group of faces with another face or a group of faces. This tool is ideal when you have to make a change to an imported model. Since imported models do not offer you the feature history where you can easily go in and make changes, you can instead swap one face for another. Here's an example. I have an imported model with a curved upper face. I also have a surface that represents a new shape I wish to use for this imported model. I'll click the Replace Face icon on the Surfaces toolbar. The target face selections will be the ones I wish to remove. They include the uppermost face along with the fillet faces around the edges. The replacement face will be the surface I created. When I click OK, the faces are successfully replaced. Notice the surrounding faces were trimmed so they nicely connect to the new face and still form a solid. To complete the transformation, I'll hide the surface body and add the fillets that are now missing.